Premium Exploration is developing the Oro Grande Shear Zone, a major gold trend in central Idaho with district potential. Development is underway at the company's first, the Friday Pet Site project. With numerous multi-million-ounce targets along the 28 kilometers open for exploration, Premium is developing what could be Idaho's Carlin Trend.
Premium Exploration was formed actually in 2006 with the thought of developing these Idaho properties that the company had had in one form or another for over 20 years. We collected the various property packages into Premium and started this development with drilling in 2009. The tour is actually being conducted by myself, President and CEO of Premium, Christine Copper, and Mike Ostenson, VP Exploration. The project that we looked at comprises 28 kilometers of strike length with the potential of 4 drill target developments, the most developed of which is the Friday where we observed the drilling, and we're in the process of moving it toward 1 million as rapidly as possible with potential, we feel, of a multi-million-ounce target. I have 2 drills running on the project at this time. One is doing step-out drilling to advance the size of the footprint of the project. The other is doing infill to advance the ounces.
It's very, very impressive what they've done so far, and certainly what they are planning on doing. It's a tremendous amount of land they have. Looks very promising, and it's a real pleasure to be here and to be able to see it.
Premium's currently in the midst of its Phase 3 drill program. It's 10,000 meters, and it was initiated because the company made a significant discovery in its Phase 2 program. Our company and the people involved in this company have been involved in this area, either born and raised or lived and taught or explored over the last 20-25 years. In 2009, we drilled underneath the current resource and discovered a whole new zone of higher grade mineralization.
They not only have a good zone that they're working in now, they've discovered a zone beneath that as well. And so we'll have to see what turns up there. I think it's all pretty exciting. It's a great team running it. They have infrastructure. They have a lot of stuff going for them. So I think it's worth checking out.
My name's Mike Ostenson. I'm the VP Exploration for Premium Exploration. After conceiving our new model, we came up with the idea that there might be a down dip extent to our current resource, and we decided to step up and drill twice the down dip extent and discovered that hole 10 of last year. The fact that we have the Friday fault is a great tool. We've successfully drilled it in every drill hole to date in the Phase 3 program, and it is a consistent linear feature and is consistently mineralized in the hanging wall, which is very similar to many Carlin-style deposits. We also have a combination of ground geophysics and airborne geophysics, which clearly defines some of our structures. So that will lead us into Phase 4 of next year. We did a 3,700 line kilometer airborne geophysical survey, which includes magnetic and resistivity data. The resistivity data theoretically can see the metal in the rock, so it follows the geology very well. Specifically at the Friday property, it picks up our Friday fault, and what we infer is the Monday fault. And we've actually drilled that and confirmed that the magnetic and resistivity data does in fact coincide with actual on the ground outcrop, soil samples, and drilling.
I sense that there's real enthusiasm among the directors of the company, and it pervaded the work site. Everybody involved with this project is really kind of geared up, and I think that they have big expectations, and I can hardly blame them based on what I've seen.
One of the things that I was very impressed about that we did review yesterday was not only the size and scope of the project, but the magnitude of previous mines in the area that have been extremely successful. This company has been on our recommended list for some time, but until we made this trip, we had no idea the depth and breadth of what we were going to see.
The mining project itself looks very exciting, and the reason we've come down here, or up here, is that when we look at projects on a map, we don't really get a full understanding of what we're dealing with. And for us to walk the property, to see some of the cores, to talk to some of the people that are here working, we get a lot more out of it. It makes a lot more sense to us. And we can also see some of the other issues that they face. So far we've come away impressed, and it's been a worthwhile trip. We appreciate the hospitality as well as the opportunity to see a project that we think is going to be viable and something worth following and worth investing, quite frankly.